PDP Excel revision, filtering data. Filtering data is when we only want to look at a specific set of data. So, for example, if we only wanted to see the staff members in KZN, it would be very useful and quick to use the filtering tool. So the filtering tool will filter your data according to your headings here at the top. You're going to start by clicking in the header row, go over to sort and filter, and then choose the filter option. And you'll see that these little arrows appear in each of the header columns that have data in it. In this case, we're sorting by region. So I'm going to click here on the region arrow, and only what is ticked will show. So I'm going to unselect everything and then select only KZN and say OK. And you'll see now that the data has been filtered to show only KZN. This does not mean that the other data has disappeared or been deleted. It just means that it's been hidden for a while. And you can see this here in the rows numbers. It doesn't run 1, 2, 3, 4. It jumps from 2 to 7, which means that rows 3 to 6 are hiding somewhere in here, and that's because they're not in KZN. So to unfilter, we go back to the one that has been filtered, click on there. Let's select How and KZN, say OK. Everything has come back. So we can see now it's running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can see How and we can see KZN.